much, but I can't right now. I have school, and Mom said on Christmas we are visiting you. I can't wait. I love you. Turn the page. I heart you.
You can do one more, but you have to hurry.
Mama, would you put this on?
Hurry.
Love. Love. Hi, Poopa. If you are
Okay.
wondering
Come over here.
who this is, it's Imogen. I want to see you so much. I've cried. I really want to see you. So Mom said we are visiting on Christmas. To Poopa. Turn the page. I heart you.
Very cute.
He will tickle me. Head.
Who tickled you?
When we went to his house I just really used for the. When I said hi to Poopa, I said, "Can you tickle me?" And he did like this much. Look.
Yeah.
Here's the picture of Stellar, and then I did a head for it. I did a head for the love, and so I hope I did the Stellar. Did I?
Yes.
Okay, good. Bye. My name is Jen, by the way.
I think he knows me. Sage, you say hi to Poopa.
Hi, my name is Sage. I like to poop in my pants.
I think you pooped in your pants today, Poopa. I love you.